Welcome to this demonstration. Today, we'll be showing how DDN enables a one-click, high-performance RAG pipeline for enterprise use. Our RAG pipeline solution is enterprise class and easy to deploy and use in any cloud environment, whether AWS, GCP, Azure, any NCP cloud, and of course, on-prem. Let's take a closer look at the architecture. This RAG pipeline solution is made of several NVIDIA NIMs, or NVIDIA Inference Microservices, which host embedding, re-ranking, LLM models, a Milvus vector database, a front-end chatbot, and at its core, a DDN Infinia cluster consisting of 12 nodes using AWS storage instances, giving us about 3/4 of a petabyte capacity. In this case, Infinia is specifically the backend for the Milvus vector database. Infinia's AI-optimized architecture accelerates one of the hardest tasks in the pipeline, NVIDIA GPU indexing, by up to 3.3x over that of an AWS S3 backend. These indexing speed improvements come from both optimized throughput and data handling with Infinia. As we'll show, this solution supports an easy-to-use workflow and tools to create a custom knowledge base, which is used to extend the capabilities of an LLM foundation model. So now, let's demo. For this demonstration, we're going to build a knowledge base for the Infinia product itself, so we can ask questions about specific features of Infinia. At this point, no data has been ingested. The knowledge base is empty. So let's ask the chatbot a question to see how it responds using just the foundational model. We'll ask the chatbot, "Can you tell me about the DDN Infinia CLI hardware management features?" And it responds with a somewhat generic answer. It appears to be more oriented to a generic CLI hardware reference, and it would be hard to tell if this is specific to Infinia or not. Let's go ahead and quickly and easy ingest some specific knowledge about Infinia. In this case, we're going to grab the installation and admin guide and the CLI reference guide. Once the data is ingested and indexed, we can repeat the question. Of note, the one-click RAG pipeline supports multiple foundation models, so you can choose which one to use to optimize for your type of queries. Let's go ahead and choose the same ChatGPT 4o model that we used the first time. And we repeat the question. Can you tell me about the DDN Infinia CLI hardware management features? We wait just a few seconds, and now that's much better. We can see a detailed response here, including Red CLI drive, Red CLI NIC, and Red CLI server. And not only the top-level commands, but details about how to use the various subcommands within each hardware category. From experience, I know this to be an accurate response that maps to the question that we asked. The DDN one-click high-performance RAG pipeline is an easy-to-use on-ramp into the world of enterprise AI chatbots. Because Infinia delivers lower latency than AWS S3, it dramatically reduces the time the Milvus DB takes to access and process data for indexing and query responses. The end result is a faster time to value, not just for responses to queries, but to how fast you can update your data sets to keep current in your enterprise environment, and how fast you can deploy a pre-built custom chatbot for your various enterprise needs. Thanks for watching this video.